Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and I had an awful experience. I noticed some oil on the ground and it appeared to be coming from the rear axle, and sure enough it was. So there's a vent tube that's on the rear axle and you'll see it right there, and mine, the hose that comes off of it was broken off right there. You see it's just a nub, and it's supposed to be a hose that comes up about 6 or 8 inches or so and allows it to vent, but mine, obviously it was leaking oil out of it. So it's a 5/16 inch fuel line that goes over that. Like I said, it's about 6 or 8 inches long when it's the correct part. So you have to pull off the nub there. I ended up using a screwdriver just to kind of pry it out of there, and then just got some 5/16 inch fuel line and popped it back over that. So it's just a regular 5/16 inch fuel line, and I tried to close the end just a little bit so that water will hopefully not go into there, although air can come out. And here's the nub with the hose removed. Like I said, I just used a screwdriver to pry it off of there. And then you just take your new hose and just slide it right over the nub there. You really don't need anything to retain it. I mean, you could put a hose clamp if you wanted, but it actually stays on there pretty tightly. And then you see all that oil and dirt there. I'm going to have to clean that off later. I'll probably just use some Dawn and a scrub brush, and that should take most of that off of there.